So when you joined this institute, you knew how to speak English or not?
Yeah, I know, but I knew, but not that much. Before I didn't know the difference between what is the present tense, what is the past tense. I used to speak normally whatever I can. I learned some English word from the watching movies, cartoons. So I know this little bit, not that much. But now I think I have learned quite well. If I compare my state earlier, that now I look myself better now. I am from Subhai, nearby Hajipur.
Subhai.
Yeah.
Okay. Why are you want to be a businessman?
Yeah.
So why are you learning English? If you want to be a businessman, no need to learn English, I think.
If I know English, I can go all over India. I can do business. Even abroad, I can go outside of country.
How long have you been studying here?
I have been studying here for I think 8 months. I want a job in a private sector. They ask for a person who can speak in English. That's why I'm trying to learn English to get a better job. If I become a good communication in English, then I can do my own business too. Just like my hobby is doing makeup. So I want to turn this hobby into professional life. So for this, I have to speak English for the different clients. Because if I go from another state, if they require like another state don't know.
अभी मेरी मौजूदगी रिबेल स्पोकन इंग्लिश में है और यहाँ पे कुछ स्टूडेंट है, देख सकते हैं। ये अभी अंग्रेजी बोलना सीख रहे हैं, तो थोड़ा सा बात करते हैं इन लोग से कि ये लोग कैसे सीख रहे हैं और कितना अच्छा अंग्रेजी में बात कर लेते हैं, थोड़ा सा जानने की प्रयास करते हैं। हेलो।
Hello.
व्हाट्स योर नेम?
My name is Kundan Singh.
कुंदन सिंह। वेयर आर यू फ्रॉम कुंदन सिंह?
I am from Suhai. It's near Hajipur.
नियर हाजीपुर।
Yeah.
What is the importance of English in your life? You are learning spoken English here. What is the importance of English in your life?
You know, I'm a freelancer, so I do web developing stuff. So sometimes when I have to contact or communicate with client, Hindi is a big problem. Even messaging, it's not able to communicate better way. So I think I need to learn English so I can communicate with them better way. And if I have to leave from this state to another state, it will help me to stay there. Because you know, native language, I can't speak every state. As you know, south area, if you go there, you can't speak Bhojpuri. You know how they react when they see Bhojpuri people, Bihari. So I thought learning English would help me to communicate with them. That's why I'm learning.
That's why you are learning.
Yeah.
Okay. So, okay, you are learning spoken English and you know what is the importance of English in your life very well. Okay. So, what is your ambition?
I want to be a businessman. That's my.
You want to be a businessman.
Yeah.
So, why are you learning English? If you want to be a businessman, no need to learn English, I think that.
No, it's not. As a businessman, I think first skill is in communication. And you know, if I'm living in India, only 10 states Hindi spoken. I don't know Hindi. So only 10 states I can go and do business. If I know English, I can go all over India, I can do business. Even abroad, I can go outside of country and do business. That's why.
Okay. Which types of business do you want to do?
You know, as I'm doing web developing, so I want to make a website where I can sell created templates and some designs. And I want to also offer some services. That's my business.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. What's your hobby?
Reading books, writing.
Reading books or
Riding.
riding?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Do you know how to sing a song?
I don't know.
You don't know?
No. I never tried. I think I tried when I was in 4th class. My teacher forced me to sing a song, but even after that time I stopped singing.
Okay. How can you suggest for beginner, I think the student who really want to speak English, the student who really want to learn English, how can you suggest them to improve their English?
I will suggest them that they have to just speak. The more they speak, the better they become. No matter it's wrong, it doesn't matter wrong, right, just speak. As you start speaking and as the time goes, it become, you know, like how you speak Hindi, and at that time you can able to speak properly. And so that's not the reason that you should read lots of books. Just speak. The more you speak, the better you become. That's what I can suggest you.
Okay. Thank you very much. What's your name?
My name is Sangeeta Singh.
Sangeeta Singh.
Yes.
Where are you from?
I am from Subhai, nearby Hajipur.
Subhai.
Yeah.
Okay. Why are you learning English?
I am learning English learning English because I want a job in a private sector. And they ask for a person who can speak in English. That's why I'm trying to learn English to get a better job. If I become a good communication in English, then I can do my own business too. Just like my hobby is doing makeup, so I want to turn this hobby into professional life. So for this, I have to speak English for the different clients, because if I go from another state, if they require another state don't speak the same language as a Hindi we speak in Bihar, so they speak another language like their native language. So I need a good communication to contact with them. So I think English is the best choice. There is no another language better than English, so there is no option than English, I think so. That's why.
As you say, you want a job in private sector,
Yes.
but you live in Bihar, and most of the students want a job in government sector.
Yes.
So why don't you want a job in government sector?
I also want a job in a government sector, but the condition of the education system in Bihar is not that much good. So I want to learn English to leave the Bihar and settle in another state, so I can get a good job. In Bihar I will get too. There is no is anything like I don't get a job. I will get, but in a good private company they ask for some skills. They won't provide without skills. They won't provide any job. So I have to. There is no option. And I'm also preparing for a government job, but I think there is too much competition. Everybody is planning for a government job. They are preparing for the government exam, and you have seen the condition of the PUS exam. The many exam paper got leaked. Because of that, many students they just broke. It's just like a broken heart for them. So I think I should give another option too. There should be another chance too. If I fail, if I'm not able to get job in a government sector, then I have another choice. I can choose private sector too. That's why.
Okay. What's your hobby?
As I said earlier, my hobby is doing makeup, these kinds of things, and I love to do makeup, applying the faces, makeup, these kinds of things. That is all. I think.
It is your hobby.
Yeah, it is.
Okay. So how long have you been studying here?
I have been studying here for I think 8 months.
8 months.
Yeah.
So in 8 months you have improved your English.
Yeah, I think I have improved my English too much.
Too much.
I think so.
Okay. So when you joined this institute, you knew how to speak English or not?
Yeah, I knew, but not that much. Before I didn't know the difference between what is the present tense, what is the past tense. I used to speak normally, whatever I can. I learned some English word from the watching movies, cartoons. So I know this little bit, not that much. But now I think I have learned quite well. If I compare my state earlier, that now I look myself better now.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, so to speak English, grammar is important or not? If the student who really want to speak English, grammar is important or not? And according to you, what is the importance to speak English?
For beginners, they should know the 50% of grammar, I think, because if they don't know the way to use is, are and past form, was, where, then it will be quite hard to make other people understand what they are saying. So for 50% grammar they should know, and later then they can speak well, how they used to speak. They don't need to worry about how they feel. Sometimes they feel nervous, just like we also used to when we were first time. Whenever we speak, we feel nervous because we try to speak a proper grammar. There should be no mistake, but it's not going to be like that. You can speak fluently in a one day. So you have to practice and don't focus on your grammar mistake. It would be, even if you become a good speaker, there must be a grammar mistake, but people don't recognize, so they think they are good.
Okay.
It is important, but 50% grammar is important.
Okay. Do you want to earn money?
Yeah, of course. I think everybody want to earn money.
Okay. So you also want to earn money?
Yeah, I want.
Want to earn money. Okay. How much money do you want to earn money?
Not much, but I think 50 plus, 25 plus, I think. 25
Okay.
plus. Yeah.
That's why you want a job in private sector?
Yeah.
Not in government sector?
Yeah, there are good money too in the government sector, but I afraid that if I fail, because as we guys know that there is too much competition. If I fail, I should have another option too. So that's why.
That's why. Okay. Thank you very much and nice to talk to you.
Thank you, sir.
What's your name?
My name is Neetu.
Neetu. Where are you from, Neetu?
I'm from Hajipur in nearby Barisupur.
Barisupur. Okay. So how long have you been studying here?
I am coming here 6 to 7 months, I think.
You have been coming here for 6 months.
Yeah.
Okay. What do you think? You know how to speak English very well?
Yeah, I know. When I am not coming here, I don't know how to speak English, and I understand, but I can't speak English. And when I coming here, I understand English. I can speak English.
Okay. So when you joined this institute, you don't know how to speak English, but you understand English very well
No.
before
no.
joining this institute.
No, I'm not understanding very well, but a little bit I understand.
You didn't understand anything in English,
No.
but after joining this institute, you understand, you can speak very well.
Yeah, I speak very well, and I understand, I speak, and all.
Okay. What's your ambition?
My ambition is a government job.
Your ambition to get a government job,
Yeah.
to get a job in government sector.
Yeah, I try to be, I get a government job, but I,
Why do you want to get a job in government sector?
because it's my dream.
It's your dream.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Do you want to earn money?
Yeah, everyone want to earn money.
Everyone wants earn
Yeah.
money. Okay. How much money do you want?
30 plus, I think.
30 plus. Okay. What's your hobby?
My hobby is listen to music and dancing and traveling. That's
Okay. Do you watch movie or not?
Yeah, I watch movie.
Okay. Which movie is your favorite?
Hollywood movies. I like it.
You like Hollywood movies?
Yeah,
Okay. Who is your favorite actor?
Hollywood.
Who
I
is your
don't know.
favorite actor? Whether it is Hollywood or Bollywood, doesn't matter. Who is your favorite actor?
My favorite actor in Bollywood, Shah Rukh Khan.
Shah Rukh Khan.
Yeah.
An actress?
Actress Madhuri Dixit.
Okay. So, are you enjoying in this classroom or not?
Yeah, I enjoying very much.
Enjoying very much.
Yeah.
And are you learning something here?
Yeah, I learning very much here.
Very much.
Yeah.
Okay. What do you think about Ashish sir? Ashish sir teach you. What do you think about sir?
He is a good man and very thickly understanding all a student and enjoying and teaching just like a friendly and not a best friend and friend type friendly, just like a father's friendly, parents friendly, and he is a very good teacher, I think.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
Okay, thank you.